In this tutorial, we will learn about the write function. So write function is in the text category. Click here. We got the function argument dialog box of write function. So here write function returns the specified number of character from the end of the text string. That means with the help of write function, we can extract some characters from the right side of the text string. So we have two arguments, one is text and second one is number of characters. So here we can see text is an compulsory argument and this is optional argument. So in the text, it is the text string that contains the character you want to extract. So here we have to put the text string from where we want to extract. That means here we have one text string. So if I click here A3, so from here we want to extract some text string. And here number of characters. So here we have not given any numbers. That is, if we do not put any number here, by default it will take 1. So it has given 5. You can see at the rightmost text is 5. But here if we put 2, then we got 2 5. So here we can omit this number and put OK. So here we can see write A3 equal to 5. That means it gives only one character from the right. Similarly, if we drag here, we got R, that is last character of this text string. And now here, if we want to get the last two character, so what can we do? So type here write, select this text, comma, number of character 2, enter, we got 25. And here we want to get this word, that is computer 336 to 8 character. So here type write this text comma 8 bracket close enter. We got this last word. So we will use this write function in our real life problems. So how do we do that? So here you can see in the second example we have some email addresses. Now we want the text after the @. That means we want the domain name of the email provider. So here equal to write, this is the text, comma. Now we have to put the number of characters. Now here in the number of characters, we cannot put a constant number because after @ we have the email provider. So this email provider has different number of characters. Some has 8 characters, some has 9 characters, some has 7 characters. So we have to make it dynamic. So how can we do that? So first we have to get the total number of length of this text string. From there we have to minus the position of @. So first give len, select this cell, minus position of @. So we need to use search function to get the position of @. Comma within text this cell, then bracket close. Then bracket close for write. Press enter. We can see we got gmail.com. Now drag. We got all the email provider names. So in this way you can use the write function in Excel. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well. But still, if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. I will surely reply you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you do not miss any updates and notifications from our channel when we upload new Excel videos. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.